Welcome to Future Learning Today, the podcast where we break down AI, tech, and certification training for real people doing real work. Today, we're diving into the essentials for passing the AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam and understanding what it actually means in the real world. This isn't just another certification cram session. We'll cover what AWS wants you to know, what the cloud speak really means, and how this cert can set you up to lead AI efforts in your business or team. Let's go. Let's start with the basics. The AWS Certified AI Practitioner is designed for people who want to prove foundational knowledge of AI and machine learning within the AWS ecosystem. This is not a super technical engineer-only cert. In fact, it's designed for beginners, business analysts, project managers, L&D leaders, sales teams, or anyone trying to make sense of AI at work. Think of it like your AI translator badge for AWS. You won't be writing Python code or designing models from scratch. You'll be expected to understand what AI can do, how AWS makes it work, and how to speak confidently about it. So why does this matter? Because right now, AI isn't a nice-to-have anymore. It's the new literacy. And the people who can bridge the gap between business and AI are in high demand. The exam is broken down into 4 domains. Let's unpack them in plain English. 1. Foundational AI and ML concepts, 20%. Here you'll need to know, what's the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning? Types of learning, supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement learning. What's a model? What's training versus inference? Imagine someone says, we're using supervised learning to classify customer feedback. You'll need to understand what that actually means and why it matters. 2. AWS AI and ML services, 30%. This is where it gets more AWS specific. Here are some of the services you'll be expected to know. Amazon SageMaker, the all-in-one studio for building and deploying ML models. Amazon Rekognition for natural language processing. 2. AWS Data Studio, the tool for exploring, visualizing, and analyzing data. 3. Amazon Q, a conversational AI assistant. Amazon Rekognition for image and video analysis. Amazon Lex, the engine behind chatbots and virtual agents. Amazon Comprehend for natural language processing. Amazon Poly, text-to-speech. Amazon Transcribe and Translate, obvious names, obvious use cases. You don't need to configure or code any of these. You need to understand what they do and when to use them. Example: we want to extract insights from customer emails. Correct answer: use Amazon Comprehend, not Poly or SageMaker. 3. Machine learning implementation and operations, 25%. This covers the machine learning lifecycle, problem framing, data prep, training, deployment. The roles and responsibilities: data scientist versus ML engineer versus product owner. Model evaluation metrics: accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score. Monitoring and retraining models, because AI isn't fire and forget. Think of this as the AI project management domain. You're not coding, but you're expected to understand how AI projects actually get built and run in real life. 4. Ethical AI, responsible use and security, 25%. One of the most important and most overlooked parts of the exam. You'll need to understand bias in models, where it comes from, and how to reduce it. Data privacy concerns. The shared responsibility model in AWS, what you're responsible for versus what AWS handles. Ethical AI principles: fairness, accountability, explainability. This section sets you apart from people who just want to play with AI. This is where you prove you can lead it responsibly. Let's move from theory to the real world. You'll be asked questions like, which AWS service would help a retail company analyze product reviews to determine customer sentiment? Answer: Amazon Comprehend. Or, a company wants to automatically identify objects in security footage. Answer: Amazon Rekognition. Here are a few common use cases worth remembering. Customer service: Amazon Lex for chatbots, Poly for voice responses. E-commerce: SageMaker for product recommendation models. Healthcare: Comprehend Medical for extracting health data from text. Finance: fraud detection using SageMaker, and built-in anomaly detection. These examples not only help on the test, and they also help you make the case for AI adoption in your company. Let's get practical. Here are 5 tips for passing this exam, and actually learning something useful. 1. Use AWS Skill Builder. AWS offers free and paid resources, including an official learning path for this cert. It's a great way to get familiar with the platform. 2. Watch short demos of the AWS services. Seeing how Lex builds a chatbot in 3 minutes will teach you more than a 10-page white paper. 3. Understand the why, not just the what. Don't just memorize what Poly or SageMaker does. Know why you'd use it. The exam tests business use case understanding. 4. Take a few practice exams. Focus on scenario-based questions. If you can explain your answer out loud, you probably get it. 5. Go slow and steady. There's no coding. Don't panic if you're not an engineer. This cert is designed to help non-technical professionals build technical fluency. Is this certification worth it? Here's the honest answer. If you want to lead or contribute to AI-related projects in your company, this cert is 100% worth it. It shows that you understand AI concepts in a cloud context, and that you can help translate between technical teams and business stakeholders. It's also a great stepping stone. After this cert, you'll be in a stronger position to go deeper with AWS machine learning specialty. Lead pilots using SageMaker, Lex, or Comprehend. Collaborate confidently with data teams. And let's be real, having Certified AI Practitioner on your resume or LinkedIn just sounds cool in 2025 and beyond. So what's next? Start with AWS Skill Builder, or watch a few of their hands-on service demos. You don't need to memorize everything today. Just start thinking like someone who leads AI projects, not just watches them happen. And if this helped you, check out our other videos, like the one on the Google Cloud Generative AI Leader certification. We've got more content coming on Microsoft, Salesforce, ServiceNow, and all the AI tools transforming the way we work. You don't need to become a data scientist. You just need to become dangerous enough to lead. This has been Future Learning. Today, thanks for listening. Stay curious, stay human, and I'll see you in the next episode.